Okay, so my van is a 2006 Ford E350. It has a 6.0 Power Stroke diesel and has its stock mirrors on it. And these things suck. They just don't cut it, especially when you're towing something. So I'm gonna replace these. So you have this little cover right here. Let's see if we can just pop it off of here without damaging it. There we go. And you can see it actually has one down here, one here, one here, and one here. So we're going to have to loosen this up. There is a screw right there. And we should be able to just kind of pop it back a little bit to get to that. Start with this one to see what happens. Another one here in the door. Just gonna back that off. Set it up there. Sure, it's got some kind of clip down in here. Of course, that's a Torx. On the window crank, little plastic cover pops back off, and then there's a Torx up in here to undo that. I think I'll be able to pop it in. Okay, it's a T20. Just screw this. Don't want to lose that. There's the T20 screw. Get my screwdriver. Let's see if we can. So it does have a gear threads in there that you got to kind of keep working off. It's got a little plastic O-ring, if you want to call it, or washer there. So make sure you don't lose that. And then that just kind of pounds back on there on the gear. Let's see what gently. Anyway, I'll be able to hold it back like that and get my socket on there. So let's start with the most difficult one first, huh? This is an 11mm socket head. So let's get it. Got the socket on there. Make sure we're in reverse. They weren't very tight. Let's loosen up. Don't want to lose that one. Here we go. Got the most difficult one done. A lot quicker with the driver. That's for sure. It's weird. All right. Okay, so you can see what they did is they have these little studs on there, and I'm missing 3 of them. Well, those 3, coming from this side, you can see there they go right onto the back of the mirror, and when I was driving it just spun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to lock some vice grips and undo the bolt on the other side. So I had to grab it like that and then screw it. Putting that back on there for right now. See if we can get the other ones. Two down, one more on this side to go. So what I've got a set of just standard, these are off a 2002 Ford F250. They're the kind that extend out. These are not electric. My van doesn't have electric mirrors anyways. So we're gonna go out there, we're gonna pop off the old one and put these ones on it. Now, my understanding is to do this, you have to find like a 1999 through 2006 F250 or F350 that has these style of mirrors, and they should bolt right in the same pattern as what your van has. So let's get these on. And these truck mirrors, the body is a little different shaped. Hoping that those will work. We'll have to see. They'll work this way. Yeah, they'll work just fine. They just fit in the holes beautifully. So, get these started here. Now for the one down in there. It's gonna be fine. Let's just do it this way. Have a look at it real quick. So the new ones, the bigger ones for the F250 are much easier to install than these ones with those weird threaded ends. Make sure this is tight. Nice thing about not having electric mirrors, huh? Nice thing about not having electric windows, huh? Get that pop back on there. Got 2 screws here. Our trim piece back on. Everything's nice and tight. Looks good, huh? Let's see what it looks like. So there's our new mirror. As you can see. Pull it out for towing. Push it in.
What in the world is going on?
Sweet. I like it. What do you like? Let's see if we can get it better. So you got this one on this side. This one on this side. I like the bigger looking mirror. basically over here and do the driver's side and be done with this project. Alright, so we got both side mirrors on with the F250 swap, and I gotta tell you, I think it makes it a lot more tough looking. Those wider mirrors on it. Let's pull it out and see what it looks like. When I do that with my truck, my Dodge, everyone calls them moose ears, but yeah. Be able to see back there just fine now. I like it. So that's how you do a mirror swap on a mid-2000 ECONOLINE. Oh, I'm sure it'd work on the E250 or the E350. Not sure about the 150s. But like I said, this is a 2006. And from everything I heard, they swap out mirrors for that Ford bolt pattern. You got to look at 1999 through 2006 F250 or F350. And yeah, definitely makes it look a lot tougher, and will be a lot safer when I'm towing the big old trailer over there. So anyhow, thank you for watching. Hope that helps you out a little bit. You know, it's a bit of a struggle, but I got it. It's just a good thing I could use all the hardware from these and jump the other ones. But until next time, my friends, motor on.